Hello and welcome to this strange, rare unboxing, because walking in the local flea market here in the Helsinki area where I am living, I found these headphones that are the typical 80s era headphones that were coming with the Sony Walkman or whatever kind of headphones that you were needing. Normally you get this kind of headphones, and the funny thing was not just the package, the memories of seeing this kind of headphones, that I grew up listening on this style of headphones, but also the price was like, it is really calling me to buy and to test them, to see how really these phones are sounding. The price 50 cents, and next to the 50 cents it reads, or was reading, 50% off. So basically I pay for these headphones 25 cents. Indeed, the adapter that is here, this kind of adapter, it is costing in the audio stores approximately 150 to 3 euros. Indeed, I bought just to have one more replacement. I have several of these kind of adapters, but it's never a bad idea to have one extra in case that you miss something or you are needing some extra connection. So I bought, and also because I want to unpack these headphones for you guys and to do an audio test. I will test the headphones with the Bayer dynamic headphones that are the ones that I am using for working in this moment. So we will see how these headphones, what is the response in terms of audio. Okay, let's open first. As you can see, is said stereo, Aston Stereo, I guess is the brand. Kuulokkeet headphones. This is in Finnish language. Yes, I don't know exactly from where this is coming, these headphones, but it's the code of the product is 633AP, and in the back say specifications, and this is the most amazing thing, and I have to say that why I want to open and to try, because this is just not possible that this is real. Okay, first it's a type dynamic driver unit, 27 dia dome, frequency response, and this is the most amazing thing. You know, like the high end headphones, speakers nowadays can reproduce 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz. That's a very wide range of audio frequency, and these headphones claims that they can reproduce these frequencies. So basically these headphones can reproduce sub-bass properly and high frequencies as well. That I really don't think that is possible for two reasons. One of them is 80s music was mastered to not reproduce those low frequencies and high frequencies, because all the music were coming on vinyl originally on tape, and with the super low and super high frequencies, normally you will get a distortion out of the tape and out of the vinyl record. Anyways, if it reads that, let's assume that is possible, and I will check as soon as I open this. I will check how it sounds, if the sound is exactly what they are telling. Okay, let's open this. Open very easy, just like this. This is the typical made in China adapter. That even cheap product, it works perfectly. Okay. So here are the headphones. I have to say that the details here are really bad, really bad. The design is kind of typical. Look this. It's funny. This is not even getting to the area where it should be. It's like trying to be, but it's not. Wow. I just get this out. Let's see. Yeah, well, what you can expect with that price. Let me try if I can fix it. Well, that's a little bit better. I don't want to press that much to not break this area. That should be there. But of course I have to open a little bit to listen. Then maybe it will not be a problem. Okay, so we have here, it's even not in the shape, very strange, as you can see, it's not even, it should be something like this. I remember when I was a kid I was buying this kind of headphones, but they were, well, there it looks a little bit better. Okay, actually guys, you know, these headphones reminds me a lot the kind of headphones you have for free on the flights, cheap flights of course, but they give this kind of headphones that you use just one time and after you have to trash them. Well, the cable, yeah, the full quality feels like crap properly. But the good thing, even it looks like crap, feels like crap. It has a 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz frequency response. So, come on, let's try, let's see what this can do. Okay, so here I have the headphones. I'm turning on the machine just to try. Of course I will not try with the vinyl record because I explained already why the vinyl record is not the best audio signal. Listen the headphones because the mastering for vinyl record is totally different than the mastering for actual digital music. I love vinyl records, guys. I love vinyl records. I do collect vinyl records. There in the back you can see my turntable DJ setup. It's not about that. It's about the audio mastering. So the audio mastering, something that I have to listen a proper digital file that it has been mastered to reproduce powerful sub-bass and powerful high frequencies. So I will check some material that I can try. So here I have a folder of techno and tech house music. You know, tech house is kind of a contemporary style of music, so it will be a easy way to test the headphones. So as you can hear, I have this track. It's a track called Dahu Soul Button by Covenant, and it's based on a very techy housey way, like a lot of sub bass, very round sub bass and very sharp shining high frequencies. But okay, let's plug the headphones and to hear how does it sound. My god, the plug feels like it's not properly plugging. It's crazy. Okay, now's the time. Actually, the high frequencies are sounding around 5,000 to 6,000 hertz, and the bass should be going to sub bass like 20 hertz as the paper reads, but actually the bass is sounding around 90 hertz, so it's 70 hertz that are missing, on my opinion, or it can be even 60 hertz now, but definitely I have to say I'm very surprised that the sound is warm, round. Actually, it's not bad at all. Okay, I will try now with my studio headphones, and we will see. There I will spot the difference right away. Testing with the DT770 Pro 250 ohm, the Bayer Dynamic or Bayer Dynamic. No, it's totally different, yes. Absolutely different sound experience. Now the music sounds wide. Of course, the shape of the headphones work totally different than this. You know, these have more space, so the bass sounds better. But still, these are 20 hertz, 20,000 hertz, same as this one. But no. Wow, what a difference. Now I can hear. Yeah, high frequencies are super sharp, nice, balanced. The bass is super deep. I can hear everything clearly. Okay, we'll go back one more time to this one to see how far it was from the real thing. Okay, same volume. No, actually the low frequency, now that I was listening to the full spectrum of this track, now I realized like the low frequencies are around 200 hertz, no jokes, and the high frequency is something around 7,000, 8,000, but no more than that. So actually, yeah, I have to say that these headphones are totally crap. But one thing is important, that many people is listening music through the mobile phone just when they are somewhere with friends, just with a mobile phone or with these small speakers to go to beach or to the street, to some place, open area, or through the TV or laptop, and that will not provide any professional audio quality. So this is more or less what people will hear normally. So for folks that work on audio as me, DJs or audio engineers, when we are mastering music, we want to hear what the final result people will hear. So this is a good reference as a very basic system to listen to, because my speakers and my headphones are high-end, will not give the same, it will bring much more quality than what the people will hear normally. And this is the second line why I was buying these headphones. Perfect, that's it. What do you think about this unboxing and this test for this 80s, very 80s headphones? Doesn't have even a brand. I have to be honest, this has been a lot of fun to do this test and to discover all dimension of audio. Okay, as always, give a like to this video, share, subscribe if you haven't been subscribing yet, and see you in the next. Bye!